how to fix Instagram message reply problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message reply problem on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there is any update here, and if you found it, just click on it. And now let's move to the next step. Just open settings, and here make sure to go to apps. This one for Android phones, go to apps again, and here we'll find Instagram. Click on it. Now go to storage, clear cache, and then force stop. And if that also doesn't fix it, now clear data. And if you have an iOS, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And if that doesn't fix it now, maybe it means that you need to change your account. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.